Hello everyone, this is Mark Leibovit from the Leibovit VR newsletters, and this is another Leibovit VR tutorial looking at my VR indicator here on Esignal. As you know, Leibovit VR newsletters does host a series of products. We do have our Silver letter, which provides daily market commentary, our VR Platinum, which provides individual trading recommendations, our Leibovit Gold letter, which covers most of the futures markets, including gold, silver, platinum, palladium, and crude oil, among others. And the annual forecast model is our annual cyclical forecast product, which is published once a year. It's available on the website. The Vice letter was just launched, and we are offering a special here, and it's only good for about another 24 hours. So if you go to the website and enter the promo code MONEYTALKS, MONEYTALKS, you can get a $39 rate on a subscription that normally runs $430. This is an introductory rate because we are launching the Vice letter. We do have the Trader's Book of Volume, as you know about, but let's get on to business here. Here at Esignal, we do offer the Leibovit Volume Reversal. There is a 1-month free trial. There are 3 versions. We have the sequential, which is what I use in these videos, post all positive and negative VRs. We have the directional, which filters out repetitive VRs, and we have the 2-day version, which works on the premise that following a volume reversal VR, you generally get movement a couple days in the direction of the VR. So positive would go up, negative it would go down. So that's why we created that. But I do use the sequential. And here, looking at the sequential, we're looking at the reason why when we were long the indexes last week, we sold. We got out on the 24th, negative volume reversal came in. This is the DIA, the Dow Jones Industrial Spiders. As you know, I look at the 533 stochastic. It wasn't a downtrend. Negative VR said get out. You didn't know if there's a big break, all the way down to the 200-day moving average, which is this green line, or just to the 50. It did go through the 50. And now pretty much on the sidelines here. In overnight trading Monday, I see indexes are up. Volume did slow here a little bit, so we could generate a positive VR here, and if that does occur, then we might get a bounce, if not a move back all the way higher again. I have no preconceived notion if that will happen or not. I know from a cyclical point of view we were due for low in this March, perhaps early April time frame, but I would like to see the stochastic turn up at the same time we're getting that VR, and I don't know if that's really going to happen here. But in any event, this was a trade for short play, of course, and also to exit longs. And if you scan the screen, you'll see there's a pretty good reliability with the VRs, but I tend to take the positives when the stochastic is rising and the negatives when the stochastic 533 is declining, just the nature of the way I trade. So here again, here at Esignal, you can sign up. I encourage you to do so for the trial, and it does run $99 a month after the trial period. And we will get back to you on our next update. Appreciate you checking in. This is Mark Leibovit at the Leibovit VR newsletters. Have a great day.